this is something that's been bounced around through previous administrations, but what makes it potentially a vote winner, or indeed in some way beneficial? Is it mainly the wealthy who it benefits here?
Yes, yeah, by and far, it's the wealthy who would benefit, and really even the very wealthy. So you look at the top, 0.1%, and they get 2/3 of the benefit here nearly. So this is really a tax cut for, those who have a lot of capital gains assets, stocks and real estate. The reason that the White House is looking at this is two reasons. One is they can do this without Congress, and as we know, Congress is very slow, particularly with Democrats now in the House. That there being some sort of big bipartisan tax bill this year would be highly unlikely. And two, they're hoping that it would sort of generate some political goodwill, particularly with donors, with the base, though it's not really clear how much economic growth this really would generate.
What's the deal with bypassing Congress? Is there any legal question about whether they can do this? Like, how do they just do a tax cut?
Yeah, so they're looking at doing something more like an executive order from the White House. And the reason they can do it without Congress is because they're really looking at changing a definition of what is defined as capital gains. So there's a lot of debate, both within the administration and outside, about whether they can do this, whether they have the legal authority. This administration actually looked at this a year ago, decided they didn't do it, dropped it, and are now picking it back up again. And the first Bush administration looked at it as well, decided they couldn't do it. So there's a lot of lawyering going on back and forth here.